Welcome to all the students, learners, viewers who are watching this video right now. The purpose of making this video is to share an actual sample of a left luggage tag from a hotel, Taj Deccan, Hyderabad. It's on your screen right now, and I'll just zoom it for you slightly. So the tag thread you can see here, this is which will be tied to the guest luggage. I hope you understand what left luggage is. Left luggage is any belongings, guest belongings, suitcase, briefcase, any parcels, bags that a guest wishes to deposit with the hotel for a certain period of time uh, because they would not like to carry that luggage where they are going. Maybe it is too heavy, maybe it is too cumbersome, or it is too expensive. I'll give a simple example to explain when a guest may want to keep their luggage with the hotel custody. Let us say the checkout time of the hotel is 12 noon, and the guest has a flight in the evening, let's say 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. The rule in the hotel is that if you stay beyond the checkout period, up till 6 p.m., the tariff charged from the guest is half of the room rate. A maximum 1 hour grace is permitted, and if somebody stays beyond 1 hour of checkout time without informing the hotel, without taking the guest permission, then they may have to pay extra charges, extra room tariff, 50% of room tariff. So guests understand that that may be too expensive, and they prefer to in fact deposit that luggage with the bell desk. In the hotel, the luggage management is the responsibility of bell desk. So this is how a luggage tag, left luggage tag looks like. It is similar to any luggage tag. And let us look at the other side of this document, this record. So, as is the case with all luggage tags, it has a counterfoil. If you notice, here is the perforation. Please follow my cursor. I think I'll use a pen to just show you where the perforation is. Here is the perforation where this can be torn, and this counterfoil may be given to the guest. So, looking at the reverse of this document, the first thing you notice is that the number is same. This number here and this number here, they are same because we would require this counterfoil to match with the guest luggage in our custody. And now look at the details here. I think I'll zoom it a bit. The first row to be filled is the guest name, whose luggage we are going to keep in our custody. What is the room number of this guest? Baggage, I think this is description. I'm not sure because number of pieces is mentioned here. So this probably could be like describing the actual baggage on which this tag is attached, left luggage tag is attached, and how many bags or briefcases or suitcase or packages the guest has deposited with us. That number of pieces will be recorded in this column here. As we go down, date of retrieval is when the guest receives his luggage from us, takes the luggage back from us. So that date will be recorded here. The bellboy who has tagged it, maybe he has to sign this, and the guest would be signing in the left luggage register, which I have described, explained in another video on my channel. And this finally is the date on which the left luggage was accepted. So retrieval is when the luggage was returned to the guest, and this date is the date on which it was accepted from the guest by the hotel. This is the counterfoil, the part retained to be retained by the guest. Number, this number matches the number over there, 554. What was the room number, and on what date was the luggage deposited. So this is the summary explanation of the left luggage tag. I hope I was able to explain all the relevant details. If I missed out on something or if something was confusing in my explanation, please clarify with the help of comment section below this video. So that's all. Thank you. Have a great day.